Hello and welcome to Learn English Moments. This is a calm English listening story designed to help you relax and improve your English naturally. You don't need to look at the screen. You don't need to repeat anything. You can listen to this while cooking, resting, or before sleep. Just listen and let the English flow into your mind. Today's story is gentle, quiet, and a little mysterious. The most important part comes later, so keep listening. Now take a slow breath, relax your body, and let's begin. The voice always appeared at night. Not every night, just on the quiet ones. When the city was sleeping and the lights outside were dim, the voice would come. It was soft, calm, almost familiar. At first, she thought it was her imagination. She lived alone in a small apartment, the kind of place where silence felt heavy. One night, as she was lying in bed, she heard it again. "Are you listening?" Her eyes opened slowly. The room was dark. The clock showed 11:47 p.m. "Are you listening?" the voice repeated. It wasn't coming from outside, and it wasn't inside her head. It sounded real. She sat up in bed, her heart beating gently. Not fast, just curious. "Yes," she whispered. "I'm listening." The voice didn't answer. Instead, it began to speak again, slowly, carefully. "You don't have to understand everything tonight." She felt strangely calm. The voice spoke like someone who knew her, someone who wasn't in a hurry. From that night on, the voice returned. Always late, always gentle. Sometimes it said simple things. Drink more water tomorrow. Rest when you feel tired. You did your best today. She never felt afraid. In fact, she started looking forward to it. Her days were quiet. Work, home, repeat. No big dreams, no big changes. But at night, the voice reminded her that she existed. One evening, she asked a question. "Who are you?" The voice paused. Then it said, "I am here to remind you." "Remind me of what?" she asked. "Of the things you forgot," the voice replied. She thought about that for a long time. Over the next few weeks, the voice began to say more. "You loved writing once. You stopped smiling in photos. You were brave before you became careful." Each sentence felt personal, too personal. She searched her apartment, checked her phone, turned off every device. Still, the voice came. One night, the voice sounded different, a little closer, a little clearer. "There will be a moment," it said, "when you understand." Her chest felt tight. "What moment?" she asked. But the voice didn't answer. Instead, it said one final sentence that night. "Tomorrow, listen carefully." The next day passed slowly. She felt distracted, thoughtful. That night, she waited in bed, the room completely silent. 11:11 p.m. The voice returned. But this time, it wasn't speaking to her. It was playing something, a recording. She recognized the sound immediately. Her own voice, younger, softer, full of emotion. "I don't know if I'll survive this," the recorded voice said. "But if you're listening, it means you did." Her breath stopped. The recording continued. "I'm recording this on a night when everything feels heavy. I'm scared of the future. I feel alone." Tears filled her eyes. "I hope one day," the voice said, "you'll listen to this and remember that you were strong enough to keep going." The room was silent again. No voice followed, no message, just her breathing and her memories. She realized the truth. There was no mystery voice. There was no stranger. The voice had been hers, recorded years ago, and played back when she needed it most. She smiled gently. That night, she slept peacefully, and for the first time in a long time, she felt proud of herself. Thank you for listening. You don't need to understand everything right now. Sometimes the meaning comes later, quietly. You can listen to these English stories while cooking, resting, or before sleep. The more you listen, the more natural English becomes. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe to Learn English Moments. More calm English listening stories are waiting for you. Relax, breathe slowly, and have a peaceful night. See you in the next listening moment.